Hi guys! Today we are checking out Polygon Matic. Finally, it's pumping once again. It's up 20% over the last 24 hours. Are we going to see positive price continuation, or has the juice already been let loose? Is that over now? So just literally crawling its way to $10 billion market cap. What a tease. You can see it's almost back to 10 billion. Will Polygon be a top 10 coin once again soon? Maybe so. Let's check out some analysis. By the way, guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, the only place where 10 to 100 X's truly do happen. Subscribe if you're new. I'm doing a $1,000 giveaway, which will be announced on the 1st of December. And get yourself into my Discord, where we're talking about all the crazy pre-sales and much more. NFTs, la-di-da-di-da, metaverse, DeFi, and just all things crypto. So please come and join me in the Discord down below. So Polygon's looking really good over the last 3 months. It's been chopping sideways, and finally we got that really good bullish breakout. We're way above $1 now, which is also a really bullish indicator, because we're above that psychological level. And this is the Polygon website. So I think they had a little bit of a makeover, bringing the world to Ethereum. And you think about it, Ethereum and Polygon have a bit of a Batman and Robin relationship. You know, there's a synergy between them. When one goes up, the other kind of goes up, and they're just pugilistically dancing with each other, you know, which is really cool. So it's a scalable solution for Ethereum, and I remember seeing this go live, I think around 2020, like November, when it was really undervalued, and I bought some. Made the mistake, I sold too soon, facepalm. Unfortunately, I was in the Philippines, and I literally remember selling this on my motorbike in the middle of nowhere, and then I woke up like the next day and it went up so much, and I was like, fuck. But oh well, guys, it always happens. We can't time the top and we can't time the bottom, you know. But here we go, this is it. So what am I seeing from Polygon Matic recently? So let's go into the smaller time frame, because we did speak about this a few weeks ago, where we had a bearish signal right here, where we lost this key level of support at 0.89 cents, which is now flipped into a support. It was resistance, so we went short and we rode that down to 0.87 on leverage, but that is now no longer relevant. So we got a lovely reversal from the 0.83, which is really crazy, and we're trading way above $1 now. So just from November, literally a few days ago, unbelievable, November 2, the price is already up by literally 35%. So really a lot of eyes on Polygon Matic right now, and it's just bull flag after bull flag. If we look at target number 1, what did actually happen there? So we can see here from this swing high to swing low, we came up between the 2.272, the 3.618 fib extension. If we look at the swing high to swing low here, you know, we came all the way up to the 3.618. We actually nailed the 4.236 right there. So what could happen on the next potential leg up? If we take the swing high to the swing low, we could actually realistically see Polygon pave its way to between a $1.23 and a $1.32 on the next impulse wave. So let's just check for bearish divergences here. We're going to move to the 4-hour time frame. Bit overbought on the RSI. Does it look like we are starting to get a bit of rollover? So we could potentially, you know, if things are bearish, we might have to look for an area of retracement. We bounced off the 2.36. We might make way to 0.382 if things do look a bit bearish. But I think this is really crazy performance. One thing to consider on the daily time frame, I just want to make sure you are aware, is there's a relationship here between these pumps. Pump number 1, pump number 2, pump number 3. Guess what? All overbought on the RSI. And what happened following each one? Bearish reversal, bearish reversal. So are we due a bearish reversal? It would be nice if we retested $1 and then shot up from that particular level. So this is what I'm speculating could happen. I'm not saying it will happen. And remember, none of what I say is financial advice, of course. At the peak of the bull run, Polygon was trading just under $3. If you look at it in terms of its corrective phase, it's actually only corrected about 61%, about 61%, which isn't a massive amount for an altcoin, to be honest. So it really does reflect that there's a massive amount of investor appetite for this particular coin, and I honestly think we're going to see Polygon be a top 10 again at some point soon. So that's what I wanted to say about Polygon. Key support is $1. I do think we are looking a bit exhausted, and the next price target, in my opinion, will be the next resistance at around $1.29. So target $1.29, support $1 if we get the reversal. If at $1 we get a bounce, you could potentially go long again and ride the wave up, you know, from this particular position, buy in and ride up to the $1.29. If we come up to $1.29, alternatively, if we get that bullish ride, you could buy in now and potentially sell at this technical target, because you're likely to see a rejection, especially in this particular crypto bear market. So what else is happening? Alt season index. We're still very much just chopping here sideways. We're not in an alt season. We're not in a Bitcoin season. We're just simply between the two. Bitcoin is losing its dominance, as we can see. So altcoins are starting to explode, as we can see reflected by this chart here. Almost every altcoin is green today, which is a really, really refreshing state of scenery. And looking at the rainbow chart again, we're still in the dark blue. So buy is the signal. It's what the whales are doing. Of course, not financial advice, but I am slowly also dollar cost averaging into the market. But I'm just a YouTuber. You don't have to, copy what I do. Now, what are 3 things you could effectively do to sort of hedge against the boring sideways trading of Ethereum and Bitcoin right now, whilst there's not really much going on? Maybe you missed the pump for some of these altcoins and you're feeling like it's a bit too risky to enter because you don't want to chase green candles. Well, I don't blame you. Well, you can expose yourself to 3 pre-sales. We've got IMPT, check that one down below. Calvaria, Play to Earn, Battle Card Game, check that one out down below. You've also got the Dash 2 trade pre-sale. You can check that one out down below. So there's 3 pre-sales I just showed you guys professionally, of course. That could effectively do a 10 to 100x. We saw Terminode do a 20x, and we had Battle Infinity do a 7.5x. And we can see here in my Discord, we've got the crypto pre-sales tab where we're talking about all of those pre-sales. So don't miss out, guys. Come say hi. Don't be shy. I'd love to see you there. And if you're new to the channel, do subscribe, like, and comment, as I really want to get this channel to 10,000 subscribers before 2023. Bye, much love, and stay crypto safe. See you soon.